Management. It's wonderful to see you, Rebecca. Thank you for joining us. I want to get your broad-based market outlook here, because I'm not sure when people are going to be back on the planes or back on the cruises so fast, but I know that they're at a discount right now. So first, give me your market thought.
Yeah, I think that, we've been talking about V-shaped curve recovery, U-shaped curve recovery. I don't know. I know this is going to come across sad for everybody, but I don't know that we've actually seen the bottom of everything. Once earnings season is kicked in earnest and we really start to see and feel the impact of all of the unemployment numbers that are coming out and the amount of layoffs that we've had, the consumer economy is completely stopped overnight, the consumer demand economy, that is, unless you can get it at home, And so those kinds of things are going to really show, all right, we're starting to get the data now on the fact that we've completely shut down our entire economy voluntarily very quickly. And that's where I see that we might be trending back down and having a pullback. So that, unfortunately, I do see happening.
Right. So, we had unemployment claims today, so we're at 22 million over the last 4 weeks. But your point here is that at some point people will get back. And with the airlines down, I'm being rough, like between 60 and 80%. I just checked in on American Airlines. I checked in on the cruise lines. Break it down a little bit. Maybe take the airlines and the cruise lines a little bit separately. Give me your thoughts here.
Well, I'll start with the cruise line. So the cruise lines yesterday, if you just look at Carnival, the CEO yesterday said that the 2021 bookings are phenomenally looking very, very good. So I think what people are doing is they're saying, yes, not right now. And there will be some sort of normalized, maybe a 6-month period where people aren't going to feel comfortable. Like, let's say we reopen tomorrow. Maybe we're not going to go out to the restaurant and go see a movie tomorrow. But within 6 months of reopening business, as far as work, the work environment, I see us getting back to some sort of new normal for restaurants, for theaters, for sporting events where you've got massive crowds. And once you start to see that, that's when people will be able to say, okay, I'm going to go on a cruise. And that looks like next year, 2021. So you start to see the bookings for the cruise lines really starting to pick up for 2021. Of course, the cruise lines are doing their job, mass marketing, and really making sure that they've got these bookings coming in, right? And then, of course, if we look at the airlines, we've got the federal government involved there. That's an industry, as you know, Nicole, that we just can't have disappear. They can't service their debt, basically. And so the United States can't just have airlines go out of business, because when we do return to some level of new normal, the airlines won't be there to actually take us around the country to do our business. And that is going to be a domino effect. So they're a little bit different. I don't consider them necessarily in the luxury entertainment industry like a cruise, as I do as more necessity, not a utility, obviously, but certainly more of a necessity when business is back to some kind of new normal.
Right. No, absolutely. Right. People are going to need to get around the country. Rebecca, great points. Thank you so much. Great conversation.
Thank you.
Rebecca Walser, thanks for joining us. President of Walser Wealth Management.